got a full belly. It's nap time, I guess. Oh, it's kind of waking up here. Farm was giving them 6 liters of milk to a feeding. I moved them up to 8 liters of milk, the milk replacer. Still got a bit of his navel infection, so still giving him antibiotics for that. There you go. A couple people on Facebook come aboard me for how much I was feeding them, thinking I was overfeeding them. But he's not exactly a lightweight 2-day-old calf. He's a big chunk of a beef cross that's 2 weeks old. I want him gaining as much as possible. I appreciate their help, but still, kind of half-ass know what I'm doing. It's not my first rodeo. Now, as far as prices go, he's a $300 calf right now. Bag of milk replacer, bag of calf starter, a bottle to feed him with, I'm in $460. So, prices hold though. He should be worth $1,500 when he's 500 pounds. Oh, stretching out. So he's pooping good. Good solid poops. Oh boy. There he goes. So, like I say, he's good solid poops, eating good. So we'll just keep him well bedded in here. Been in here one day. Probably later today or tomorrow, I'll just add another bale of hay in here for him. So I like that deep bedding aspect. Keep him up, keep him dry. Another 2 or 3 weeks when he's eating half good solid food, I'll get him out to pasture anyway. It'll be the best thing for him. But right now, keep him in here. It's a good starter spot for him. The old chicken coop. So, didn't want to go this route for cows, but they're just so fucking expensive. I had to kind of go this route, or just not have them. I don't want to not have them. I spent the last 4 years building up to this point, so, you know, raise a few in the summertime, very seasonal, but that's damn good gust of wind there. That's why we have no power right now. So where was I? Yeah, just you say, it was very seasonal. I had no equipment to speak of, but now I'm able to make hay, get real good pasture, make more pasture. So say I'd like to build up to at least 12 calves here all the time. That's 1 a month to ship. Hardly worth it, but anyway. I don't know, we'll see what happens. This little sideline business, if you can get up to that point, maybe. Right, bud? So, So anyways, I'm going to let him rest, and I'll upload this whenever we get power and internet back on. Anyways, he says hi. Later, everyone. Alright, so, doing a anchor repair job for the fishery. Gotta do something with this front axle on my lawnmower. can squeeze that together and get some weld on her. Hopefully it'll hold. And get that cleaned up some. So hopefully I can get her tacked. So anyway, let's get this done. Got the anchor done. Not half bad, I guess. Gotta fix my one before I do anything else. Shit happens, right? Anyways, it's baby feeding time.